Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Deepa. Welcome to my channel Together in Fun. Today I'm here to share with you a few feelings on by which teachers go on. The most common feelings the teacher undergoes now are fear, anxiety, and burnout. And the most common thing will be anxiety. Now, why do our teachers feel so anxious, or what is she anxious about? That will be a thought in everyone's mind. These feelings of teachers can be actually broadly looked into two categories. One is personal and one is a social. Social, let's talk about the first one, that is personal. Personal, it is so because she has to take care of her family. Now, the working hours have changed. Yeah, she is working from home, we do agree. But she has to learn more into, she has to look into more of technology. She may have to redo or unlearn certain things that she has learned earlier. She is also very, very conscious of the fact that thousands or 10,000s or 100,000s are looking at her. She is like how you are aware of your strengths and weaknesses. She is also aware of her strengths and weaknesses. The second one, what I mentioned about, is the social, how she was, the social factor which has brought all these emotions into being. One is, like earlier, the schools were on normal pace. She used to have a very close relationship with the children. She used to know them, and for children, she was the whole world. She was the whole world for them. For anything or everything, 8 hours a day, they depended totally on her. Now they are far away. They do not have that strong rapport as they used to have earlier. This, you may find it's very strange, but as a teacher, it is very, very difficult to uh, to to go ahead without having such a strong relationship. Now this relationship has become virtual. She, like any other mother, would like to have her children round her. I mean, her students round her. I recall those days when we used to go to school. We even used to have healthy arguments with our colleagues for regarding the students which are or the children entrusted to us. This kind of healthy relationship is missing in her right now. She's totally depressed. Whereas in the same manner, her job, the intensity of work pressure has come upon her now. As usual, she will have to prepare her lesson plans. She has to make more resources, more into technology. She has to learn a lot of things in technology, and more of the fact that she is very much aware of what is happening around. Like each time she speaks, 100 voices in her speaks out to her louder that there are many more people watching out on her. This gives a kind of fear in her, but she is not giving up. That is what you people or the society, I just want to share this one fact. She is not giving up. The teachers are not giving up. They have taken it as a challenge. With all the humiliations, with all what is happening around, they have just taken it up as a challenge. It's not because of the amount they get. As a profession, this is the poorly paid one. They have not taken this as a profession, they have taken this as a passion. They consider this as a vocation. That is why teachers all around the world, even after so much of humiliations, and especially when it comes back to our country, the kinds of posters and all those things that you send around, they are not considered about, they are not considering into that, they are not concerned about that. All they focus is the students, how they gain, what they can do to promote them. Now, after this, I just want you to recall, or I just want you to think about the emotions of a teacher. She doesn't need anything else from you. All she needs is a smile on your face, a gratitude smile on your face, and a thank you note whenever you meet her. So I hope you would understand through what emotional phase she is going through. And this session, I hope it was useful to you all. If you're watching this channel for the first time, subscribe. If you like the content, click the like button and share. If you want to see more videos of this kind, enable the bell icon. Thank you.